Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Walmart account. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Walmart website or open the Walmart app and log in using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Security or Security Settings. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. Toggle the setting to enable it and follow any prompts that appear. Step 5. Verify your contact information. You will be asked to verify your phone number or email address. Follow the instructions to receive a verification code, enter it, and confirm your setup. Now your Walmart account is more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Make sure to keep your contact information updated to avoid any access issues in the future.